Tired of wrestling with endless paper forms? Docusign is here to digitally declutter your life, and today, I'm going to show you how to upload and prepare any form for easy electronic completion. First, log into your Docusign account. Once you're in, click on the New button, typically found at the top left of your dashboard. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Upload to bring in the form you want to use. This can be a PDF, Word document, or other supported file type. Navigate to the location of your form on your computer, select the file, and click Open. Docusign will now upload your document. Now for the magic. You'll be taken to the Docusign form preparation interface. On the left-hand side, you'll see a toolbar with various field options, like signature fields, text boxes, date pickers, and more. Before placing your fields, make sure you've assigned recipients. You can add recipients directly in Docusign. Ensure the correct recipient is selected in the drop-down before adding fields for them. Simply drag and drop the desired fields onto your form where you want recipients to fill them out or sign, resize and reposition them as needed to fit your document's layout. Click on any field to customize its properties. You can change the font size, required, optional status, validation rules, and more. Once you've placed all your fields and are happy with the layout, click the Send button in the top right corner. Docusign will send the form to your designated recipients. They'll receive an email notification to securely access and complete the document electronically, and that's it. You've successfully uploaded and prepared a form in Docusign. Now, go paperless and simplify your workflows.